Okay, so Arduino, light box, plug in our LED to a 9-volt battery. Now we see that the LED is on, light is passing onto the photoresistor. I have my code brought up in Arduino, the application, and now on the car we're not able to power from a laptop, so we have a USB charger, or like a power block. Now USB type A into the Arduino, and Arduino is on. It starts counting down, which is in the code. Now it starts reading the light levels, calculating the running 5-second average. The latest value is about 350. The sensitivity is kind of finicky with this LED and this photoresistor, especially with the box open to the light. So if I cover the box, now with the box covered and the battery unplugged, this is an issue. I have not connected the light box to the Arduino. Now, with the box covered and the LED off, it's reading 1 or 2, which means some light is getting in through my hand. But now with the LED on, and the box covered, it's reading about 430. That. So that is like meat and potatoes of actually interfacing with the Arduino and your chemistry. Now we can look at completing a run. The method you want to do is plug it in, wait for the countdown, and then select serial monitor. It will start reading. So again, unplug it, plug it in. When we select serial monitor, it'll reset the countdown, rerun the entire code, and we will start getting data. And I'm going to let this run for a while and then export it to Excel.